Welcome on Seismic Design Project Assignment for Sci-Fi Labs online course by Mohammed Laik. Here we are going to assign the seismic load to the building. Go to the Define menu and select Load Patterns. As the load is already defined to the building, select the type as seismic and auto lateral load as IS 1893-2002. Select Modify Lateral Load. As the load is acting on both x and y direction, select both the directions. As per the reference of IS 1893-2002, select the zone factor and importance factor and reduction factor and click on the OK. Click on the OK. Now go to the Define menu and select Load Combinations. Select first load combination and click on OK. Now the building is to be analyzed. Go to the Analyze and select on Set Load to Analyze. Here ensure that both dead and live loads are not allowed to be run, and also ensure that the 3D view tab is already selected. And again go to the Set Load case to run and allow the seismic load to run and select Run Now. The analysis could take more time as the floors are more and the members are to be assigned are more. Now the values are to be shown in the displacement lab. Now go to the Design tab and select Concrete Frame Design and select View or Revise. The selected design code should be IS 2000. Now design the building by selecting on Start Design or Check. The checking process may take more time because it needs to be check all the members of the building. No, all the given dimensions are shown in the 3D view tab. Dimensions represent the reinforcement of the material. To check that all the members have passed the check, go to the Design menu and select on the Concrete Frame Design and select on the All Verified Members are passed. Here all the concrete frames have passed the test. To get our reports, click on the Model Explorer Reports and twice click on the project report. We will get the project report. Hence our project report is generated, which shows all our properties and dimensions of the building. Thank you.